All right, y'all. What's good? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my big dog, Mitch. We're gonna be going on a little cruise right here around his city, his town.
My old stomping ground, my house. I grew up as a kid. It's all good.
Yeah, we're not gonna show you that, but we're gonna get straight to it. So we'll see you in a bit.
Look who's ready to go.
Oh, baby. What's good, buddy? So let's go for a ride through the old neighborhood. Cruising, boys. Oh, we got a car. Gotta slow down coming through here because people fly down this turn too, coming down into us. It's the old elementary school over there. All right, jump back out in the street with him. I've never seen those gates open. That's crazy. My entire life, I've never seen gates open on that house. Crazy.
Bro had all the time in the world.
Yeah, that guy definitely would have hit us. Idiot.
Bro, this is so sick. Give me 5. Hell yeah.
Shoo! Shoo!
First stop, ladies, Peninsula Park.
Oh, what in the hell? What the?
Alright, here we go. Trail riding on the V3.
Yeah, this is a spot, bro.
This is cool. Let's take a little break right here.
Back in, this is like one of these chicks that we were friends with.
We'll go. No, which way do you go around? This way or this way?
You got to go over the bridge to get over there.
Oh, tight.
The house is on the right on the water. Super rich people. These kids are in high school. Their parents, like that was one of their houses. They live there and they're super rich.
Let's go. Following you, bruh. Send it, bruh.
There used to be mad trees right here, and there was a rope swing off one of them.
Oh, I can see where the tree is. Look, the steps are on the wood.
Yeah, that's where it was. Yeah. One of the chicks that we hung out with in high school, rest in peace. She did it, and she let go at the fucking farthest point. She fucking crashed down, fool, in between the tree branches and shit. Yes, brother. All right, so this is Hollywood Beach Elementary School. Some fucking new super big ass mansion houses right here, bro. I'm telling you, those are millions and millions of dollars.
You're just not sitting far back enough, and you gotta pull back. There you go. There you go.
My fiance's friends live right here. Here's the harbor. That beach, so we're surfing and All right, so something cool we came up with to be able to ride our Burromax TT 750R longer on longer rides is if you got a Milwaukee battery laying around at home, which most people do, and you get the charging port adapter, slide that on, okay? To take the charger for the Burromax. There's a little pin. Okay, got it. Plug this guy in right here. Turn it on. Charges now. Double the life. Just something pretty cool that we figured out that we thought we'd like to share.
Do something cool for America! Do something cool! All right, y'all. So pretty much that was the ride for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My boy Mitch came along. If you guys want to see a little bit more of him, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff.
If you don't, it's all good.
You guys will like him. He'll be back. We'll see you on the next video. Be safe, y'all. Peace.
Have fun.